problem that we're trying to address is how do we exchange heat more efficiently. So how are we able to use less energy in the heat transfer process itself? Heat transfer is one of the fundamental aspects of the physical universe. Heat exchangers are the devices that manage heat transfer. We work currently in the aerospace industry. We supply into the automotive industry and in multiple tiers of the automotive industry, from motorsport R&D programs with an eye towards future production. We work in general industrial, and we've got customers in oil and gas as well. There's no one else in Australia that's doing this work. Our heat exchangers and thermal transfer devices are very complicated in their internal geometries. Stay curious. I mean, just keep on asking questions and answering them. It's fantastic when you've got something that you celebrate when you don't know the answer to something. And so the process of finding out the answer to the question is the enjoyable bit, and looking at the world and the universe around with wonder.